What's going on, guys? Mine here with DLC Auto Solutions, back at you again with another video. Today's video, I wanted to showcase Malco's plastic and leather cleaner. And as I was thinking on what car to do it, I think the most suiting car would be Hugo from Hue Visions. He does a lot for us here, and it's not fair or right that he is riding around with leather that is not properly cleaned. So we're gonna go ahead and hook you up, Hugo. Let me show you what we'll be using today. Like a good technician, we'll be wearing gloves. We're gonna be using General Car Care's detail brush, which this has become my favorite. Good, again, Autofiber Utility 400. If you keep up with us on Instagram, we've been raving about these. And then none other than Malco's leather and plastic cleaner. So let me show you what we're gonna do real quick. Okay guys, so this is the panel we'll be focusing on today. And a little history and fun fact, leather and plastic cleaner was Malco's first product that they launched with. And it's withstood the test of time. It's a really freaking good product. Pairing it with General Car Care's detail brush, the natural boar's hair, it's a match made in heaven. So it doesn't look that bad at first glance, but again, lighting reveals all. This thing is not good, no offense. So let me go ahead and show you how I like to prime the surface. So we're indoors, you know, we don't have sunlight, but it's good practice just in general. I don't like to spray things on unless I absolutely have to. So let's see how bad it is and if we need to saturate. But for now, I like to spray my product directly on here. A few sprays, oh, actually, a little more, be liberal on the first one. And to go to town. So you get excellent foaming action with this, which I really enjoy. And the bristles are firm. So what I should have done, put some tape, like all the cool YouTube videos, all the cool Instagram videos do. Check it out. Just sit there for a little bit. Let's see if we can get a good 50-50 without the tape. To all the crevices. Cool. I think it looks really freaking good. Completely restored it, no grease. It's phenomenal, actually. This is gonna be a tear on the leather, so don't mind that. Let me finish the whole panel. So it's not fair to just do this part. Let's finish up this panel for Hugo. Spray a little more, it's the first one, and then just go. And again, so if you guys have seen other videos, I like to work in parts. So just so I don't lose myself, I like to get this all out of the way. What a great finish. Truly enjoy this. So I'll do it again, spray that, because I want to make sure we get the foaming. Keep it foaming up. All right, now I know this is not a how-to clean the interior. We're kind of showcasing Malco's leather and plastic, but I guess a good tip to take advantage of this video, I noticed a lot of mobile guys or detailers in general that are just starting off. A good thing to keep an eye out is to clean the inside of these. So you would be surprised how many details I see that miss out on that. So again, if you're the professional, don't forget these. Definitely open this up. Get in there. And that's gonna be make or break. So living up to its name, leather and plastic. This is plastic trimming. No streaks on it either, which is also nice. You can still follow up with the detail spray if you wanted to after, but just know that it's not gonna streak up. It's nice. Streak-free finish, even on shiny, hard plastics. And yeah, it's good. Good stuff. Okay, cool. So we just cleaned this panel. I truly enjoy this type of look, like an OEM look, but we did prepare this panel for it to be conditioned if you wanted to, depending on the shine that you wanted, whether it's satin, semi-gloss, or high gloss. This is perfectly prepped. So let's go ahead and show you something that has a little more grime so we can put it to the ringer. Okay, so I said that we needed tape for the cool videos. I ended up getting tape because, again, no shade, but it's not as bad as it looks, but some good lighting. Oops, some good lighting. It's really bad. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and put it to the ringer now. This is a lot of lotion, grime, sweat that has been built up. So let's see how far we can get with this. Okay, cool. And same thing. We're not gonna saturate it. Let's see how much we can get just by agitating with the brush. This might even need a scrub ninja, to be honest. But let's see. Oh yeah, this is so satisfying. You just see it melt right off. Can you see like the milk type consistency? Super satisfying. So you can comment down below if you love or hate this part, but this is oddly satisfying. Cool. Dude, you can see it through the tape too, so it's awesome. Cool. Oh man, that was fun. Look, even on a red towel. This is sweet. Did we get it on? Dude, I think I'm gonna go a little more down here. Just one more time. I didn't. I think we got it. I think we got it. This is good. Look at back here. Oh man. All right, now we'll do the part where everybody doesn't tear off. Oh, this is freaking good. We're gonna bring this car back to life for sure. Okay, so you know what? We're already here anyways. Man, you can feel the difference. This thing is like grippy. This is so smooth. So I did got the very sought after Autofiber Scrub Ninja. Same thing. Let's see how much easier it is. So this was with the detail brush. Spray this one on there. Let's see how much we can get. And this is actually what I would prefer to use, especially on this surface right here. So look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Love it. Super satisfying. Scrub Ninja, Malco leather and plastic. Goodness. What else do you need to tackle these interiors? That is incredible. Look at that. So good. Feels soft. No wonder this has been a staple product for Malco. Feels good. Now, as good as this product is, it won't be able to fix this, of course, but focusing on just the leather, I love it. All right, and there you have it, guys. So this we'll be using on Hugo's car, inside Hugo's car. Malco leather and plastic. It's a really good product. Come try it out. We give it 2 thumbs up. We're gonna go ahead and finish this car. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, share, hit the bell notifications, the whole 9. I'll see you guys soon.